Hello, I am Zeynep Sultan. My capstone project is focusing on to create an age-friendly school. The aim of the project is creating a pluralist school in Kayseri. The problems are lack of communication in society, lack of social cultural activities, conflict of generations, and social cultural openness between the elderly, young, and child. House can come together with the some activities. The gathering activities can be festivals, storytelling activities, dramatizations, oral games, mapping workshops, design thinking workshops, and the arts like painting and modeling. The most important thing is creating an integration, empathy, and balance between the society. On the site plan organization, the most important point is Mimar Sinan Street because it has a connection with the city center and it became a pedestrianized zone. The road is specialized for pedestrian and bike users, and traffic is slowed. There are some regulations of vehicle traffic, as you can see from this point. In that part, and there is underground parking entrances and the parking lot and the bicycle parking also placed in that area. The entrances of the building from this point, which connects the access from the park. And the another important point is this area. Actually, there's a people assembly in that area. The people assembly has a connection between the park and the project area with this arcs. There's open air and distinct elements in that area also. On the ground floor plan organization, there are mostly communal areas. In that building, there is lobby, atelier, and the cafe and restaurant. In that place, there's a people assembly, as I can mentioned before. And in that place, in that building, there is a administration, training, education, and the workshop areas. The activity space is placed in the middle of the building. The active space is important because the police-making area makes a visual connection with the upper floor. There are some important options we will see on the sections. And on the upper floor, there's a committee rooms, meeting rooms, and the seminar rooms. And there's a mentor offices with this bridge. We are reaching small working groups and the collaborative workplaces. There's a visual connection with the people assembly in that place. With the permanent exhibition, we are reaching the discussion platform. There's a visual connection also with the ground floor, with that tailor, and there's a collaborative workplace and small working groups in that area. This underground parking lot is the entrance of this, and there's a technical facility in that area. In this section, the atriums are visible, and the visual connection is also visible with between the meeting rooms and the activity space. And in that area, between the people assembly and the collaborative workplace, and also these are sitting areas. Between small working groups and the cafe, and between the discussion platform and the atelier. On the section, we can see the connection between the Mimar Sinan Street and the Mimar Sinan Park mostly. On the facade organization, similar with the site plan organization, the griddle system will be used. And in that east elevation, we can see the connection also with the Mimar Sinan Street and the Mimar Sinan Park. It's visible in that place. This is the underground parking entrance, this pedestrianized road, and there is important historical buildings in that area, which are Avgunlu Madrasa and the Gerham Nesibe Madrasa. And this then festival area. In that place, there is a sting area, as I mentioned before. And on the conceptual section, it's taken from this area. We can see also visual connection, and also there's a roof openings in that area. And on the construction, wooden structure will be used. Also, the main material is wooden in that building, and because it's for the floor, cross-laminated timber will be used. For the columns, blue laminated timber will be used. For the facade organization, inner facade system will be used. Outside, there's a glass. Inside, there's a wooden profiles. And to this perspective section, we can see also visual connection. And these are the spatial organization. And this is the system section of the building, and we can understand from this actually inner frame system. There is wooden modules, perforated and also mesh one. And these are the 3D representations. This view from the event hall and discussion platform. The connection also visible in that area, like this. And view from between the buildings. And this view from the open air cafe area. And this view from cafe. And this view from the discussion platform. This is the people assembly, and visual connection also can be seen, and the stick elements can be seen in that area. And that's all. Thanks for listening.